What do we have here?
My name's Carter. This is my mom.
What are we doing?
We're skydiving.
Jumping out of airplanes with strangers today?
Yeah.
You trust me to throw you out of an airplane even though we just met?
Yep.
You trust this guy? You just met.
Oh yeah, no, I'm down.
We're both crazy.
Oh, good.
Whose idea
Alright,
was
what's
this?
good then?
Your fault if this goes wrong. We're celebrating something.
100%. 18.
Yeah, kick him out of the nest, see if he can fly.
That's right, it's time.
Last words, final comments, confessions before we go do this.
I'll go with my family and I'll go with my friends.
For me, it's always the same. Computer, tablet, phone, bird, all buried in the desert. The wife can have everything else. Let's go rock and sky and have some fun. High five.
I love it.
High five. Here we
Let's go do it.
Thank you. Okay.
Alright guys, we found an airplane. You ready for it?
I'm really excited.
Yeah? Heck yeah.
So ready.
Get in, get up, and get out of this thing. Do it. Right turn, so go all the way down right.
Oh, this is a big one!
Alright, let's go all the way left. That is alright. You just jumped out of an airplane.
I did!
How you feeling?
It was amazing.
Yeah?
Oh, it was absolutely amazing.
What's
Thank
more
you.
fun, flying them or jumping out?
They are both equally as amazing.
They're both pretty cool,
They
huh?
are. They
Yeah.
are equally amazing.
Heck yeah, would you come back do it again?
100%.
That's what we like to hear. Thank you for jumping with us.
Thank you.